The second demonstration will be financial documents. Those are going to be very much different. Some of the information is going to be handwritten. Some of the information is going to be OCR machine print. There's going to be signatures on some of the documents, and the signatures must be validated because a process later needs that. There's employee information that needs to be looked up and returned and applied to the documents. And with those documents, you too will see automated separation and classification.
For the next demonstration, I'm going to import some financial documents. These are standard documents. We're going to be extracting machine print, so OCR. We're also going to extract some handwriting. We're going to do some mark sense, essentially some check marks. We're going to see if there's a presence of signatures. It's going to find additional information from our financial data environment. So we'll look at these pages. You'll notice again there is no cover sheets, no patch pages. So standard W-9s. Now we have an authorization for withdrawal. It's been hand printed. Irrevocable stock or bond power. Additional contribution form. Again, all of these are handwritten in some way. Here's one that is a report. Another W-9, so there's some W-9s at the beginning, there's W-9s later. They're for different clients. Okay, so let's create this job. We will open that job in document review, and we will see what TotalAgility was able to figure out. It found W-9s, authorization withdrawal, bond power, additional contribution. Transfer. So it looks like it is all correct. It figured out where the document began and ended, figured out what type of document it is. We will complete this. Let's open this job in validation. So I want to just do an overview here real quick. So W9, you can see these are the fields, the account number, the name, signature, and signature date that the user can interact with. The account number doesn't exist on the document. That's derived from the financial business system. The authorization of withholding, you'll see has a different set of fields. When you select a document, the fields that are important to that document can dynamically change and adjust. We can show database information. And these forms can be configured to look any certain way. So if you would like to see the fields arranged differently in a different order, laid out differently, all of that can be changed. So let's look at the W9. So it finds the name on the W9. We're just determining if there is a signature or if there isn't a signature. Many times that is very critical to processes, just to know if there's a signature on the document. It's extracting handwriting and even applying a specific date format. So the person that filled it out doesn't have to know your format. And this is for any document. This is just a document we're using for the demonstration. You found the account number from the customer's name. Again, there is a signature. The date in the date format that's required by the financial system. You can see where it's highlighting where it found the information in green so that a user could see this. I'm going to zoom in. Notice if I'm zoomed in and it wasn't showing that area of the document, it took me right to it when I click in the field. Our goal is to get to all of the information that's needed in the most streamlined and efficient way. So however the user would be interacting with the document to find the customer to apply to, that's what we want to have here. So here we do have an account number. It's handwritten and it extracted it perfectly. The name is actually the concatenation of first name and last name. We do have a signature and we do have a date. Account number, it's a little bit different format. You see older forms where they still use the combed boxes, which is not an issue for TotalAgility. And from the account number, we can look up the name. The client statement is entirely OCR. From the client name, we can get to the account number, or from the account number, we can get to the client name. So there's several different extraction technologies all being used in these documents. TotalAgility was able to separate the documents, to classify the documents, and it's able to extract information and use the financial business system to validate data as well as retrieve more data to help users assure that there's 100% accuracy when processing these documents. This job is complete and it will go to the system of record for the document repository and to the financial system.
Thank you for watching this video demonstration. For more information, visit us at trombatech.com or email us at sales@trombatech.com. We'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. We can also begin a discussion for a tailored demonstration that targets your specific requirements. I hope that you begin your automation journey today.